What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Waves Crypto, bringing you another market update for the day. In today's video, we're checking out the total 3 chart on the daily here. And the total 3 chart is pretty much the chart for altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's pretty much like a conglomerate of the altcoin market to see how it's performing. So we're checking it out today and making the case for why alt season is right around the corner. And you can see here on the daily, we were following up on this a while ago, and you can see how it came back here and this horizontal that we have, it was respecting it. Then it started to make higher lows down here. We were identifying this the same time Bitcoin had the same structure and broke out. Bitcoin ended up breaking out first, and then the altcoin, the total 3 followed. So we saw that total 3 had broken out from this trend line here after making these higher lows and reaccumulating. So it ended up breaking out, and then this whole time it's just been back testing the breakout, as well as the exponential moving averages, the red being the 9 EMA, the yellow is the 21 EMA, and the green is the 55 EMA. So you can see that I had this breakout, retested it, as well as the EMAs. And now we're looking to see continuation. And RSI is looking similar to Bitcoin, where all this sideways action has led to a bullish reset on the daily RSI. And the 2-day RSI is looking poised as well for just like how it is for Bitcoin. If we give that a second to load up, but you can see the MACD lines are also, the faster line is looking to bounce off of the slower line. You can see the 2-day RSI is going from being oversold, and it's approaching the bullish control zone now. RSI got into it, got pushed back to the EMA, and now looking to bounce off of it as both are looking to enter the bullish control zone. So you can see the last time the RSI looked like that for total 3 was around this area in February. So that was around here. So you can see that from basically around this point, somewhere around here, and ended up having about a 55% move. So things are definitely looking promising, as the RSI is in the same kind of posturing. And then another similar time was back here in October of last year. And yeah, you can just kind of see how things played out from that point. And if you were to zoom out on total 3, we can start off with a weekly here. The weekly back tested the horizontal, then was consolidating between the 21 and the 9 EMA. Now it's above the 9 EMA, and we're looking to see this breakout continue now. The Bollinger Band is all the way up here, so that could be a possible target for this move to break out to next, with implied continuation. Then if you were to zoom out here to the monthly, you can see that monthly RSI is in a bullish posturing. RSI and EMA are going into the bullish control zone as the RSI is bouncing off of it. And then total 3 got above this breakdown here. This was the breakdown that kind of cascaded into the bear market. So got above that point, and so far total 3 was just retesting it. And things are looking pretty good now on the monthly. And you can see that we got total 3 got close to this point here. And that's where more or less it had its pullback. But we're looking to see total 3 break out from here next. And if you kind of compare it to Bitcoin, this would be like the equivalent point of where total 3 is trying to break. So total 3, like the altcoins, they follow Bitcoin in the bull markets. Same for Ethereum. So Bitcoin is kind of like it's kind of just like foreshadowing what's to come for the Ethereum and total 3. So Bitcoin has already surpassed this point and made all-time highs, whereas total 3 hasn't taken out that point yet. And then after that are the all-time highs. So total 3 has some catching up to do, but alt season always follows after Bitcoin has its run, then Ethereum. So I'm saying that these are still early times before the breakout really gets going. So these are just great dollar cost averaging opportunities for whatever your favorite alt is. Then if you were to zoom out here to a 6-month chart, you can see that after the bull run in 21, it came back and pretty much retested the prior levels perfectly, and also the 9 EMA on the 6-month as well. So it pretty much just came back and back tested the prior resistance as support, and then confirmed it, bounced off, and now we're seeing the continuation. But you can see the last time that total 3 was in this position was before the last time it made all-time highs in the last cycle. So it would be like either this candle or somewhere like around here. But if we were just to go from all-time high to all-time high, that was about a 215% move. So keep in mind that we're not even, there's still like 100% to go before even hitting all-time high. But if you were to just make that same kind of move, about a 215% move from when total 3 breaks its all-time highs, that would put it at about like a 3.5 trillion market cap, somewhere in that range. So if history were to kind of repeat itself, that would be the kind of move that we would expect after total 3 has its breakout. So things are definitely still early, and just all the sideways action for the past couple of months have been great dollar cost averaging opportunities. So yeah, definitely total 3 is looking promising. And if we were just to follow up on Bitcoin here on the daily, you can see that it's been confirming this zone here as support, as it used to be resistance, broke out. Now it's confirming it as support, and we're above the prior all-time high. And now we're looking to finally break out from this trend line from the top of the range that's been kind of confining price action. So we're looking to finally see this breakout. It's looking promising at the moment. We're going to have to follow up in our next video and see how things are looking. But on a macro scale, Bitcoin on the monthly is looking great. It's above the prior all-time high, and it is getting close. It's really close to just taking out the all-time high. It's within, from this point, it's like within like 5-6% of breaking all-time highs. And then if you were just to look at the 1-year chart, it speaks for itself. Bitcoin is above its prior all-time high, and we're just looking to see a breakout and where this bull run takes us. But just got to take it one step at a time. But I think I'll leave it there for today. I just wanted to keep the focus on this video on the total 3 altcoin market, and just a little follow-up on how Bitcoin is looking. And so far, nothing has changed. Like, everything is still looking promising. This has all just been sideways reaccumulation, great dollar cost averaging opportunity, and not financial advice. But things are definitely looking promising at the moment. So I think we'll go ahead and we'll leave it there for today. We'll follow up in the next video and see how price action is looking. But I definitely appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Let me know where you think the market is headed and what are some of your favorite altcoins. Definitely let me know, and I'd be happy to check some of them out for you guys too. So yeah, we'll follow up in our next video. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one, and we'll see you then.